Now we're going to have a look at a lesson. So we're back here on the dashboard, and what we're looking at first of all is where the accuracy is. So we're just going to click on that, and you can see that there's all the different phonemes are listed with a sort of traffic light system of how well you're doing on each one. So you can see here, for example, that this one, the Z or the Z type word, needs a bit of work, and you can see you can pick that and go through. But what will also happen is the system might identify that perhaps a lesson on Z will be good. So we're just going to click on that now for a moment. A quick introduction there on what's going to be coming up. So we're going to have tips on the sound, where to use that kind of thing, and then some actual practice. Each of the different steps can be read out to you. In the middle, there's a VIA that just shows you sort of the mouth positions and that kind of thing. Then on the next page, there's further instructions here. So again, the instructions can be read out, or there's a video in the middle where they will run through, describe what's on the lesson, that kind of thing. Then there's some example words to try, and then you actually move to the next page. Now this is where you get to go through and try some of those words yourself. So beaches, etc. Beaches. Once you've been through the list, you'll get a report showing you sort of how many of the words were read incorrectly out of all the words that were there, and then also with specific focus on what the lesson was. So in this case, the sound Z, and showing there that we've got about 85% of those correct. And then at the very bottom of the report, it gives you an idea about what other types of sounds you might like to focus on, depending on the results of that lesson.